Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we got this pack of Pokemon, which is the first Pokemon opening. And have you been wondering what this guy is? My uncle. Yeah. So let's get to it. So let's see what this one is. So this is actually my second GX. If you can't see the card, look at this thing. My best card. This is my best card. Let's see if this was better. Can you see this? Oh god, this is hard. It's ready.
Look at my cat was trying.
Okay, we got this. Look how shiny this is. It's really shiny. And then we got a little code and we got some here. Here, have these. Here, have these. Oh man, we got those little. Okay, so. Oh, these are hard to open now. Mom, can I use the scissors? Should have edited that part. Here. Okay, let's see what we get. I really got like too many Pikachus. Let's see this. Whoa, what is this? Oh, we got this one. This one's pretty good.
Oh, cool.
So we got our Romade. Here we go. Right there, that is what it is. I'm gonna put it right there. We got like whatever this Pokemon is, I can't read. Oh, I see a hollow. I got this Pokemon, that little thing. Oh, whatever this one is. I got a break. Show them to the camera. And I got this one. Yeah. This one. And I got this one. And I got, let's see. Oh, yeah. Oh, come on. Then you got this one. Whatever this is. This is nothing. Oh, this my first break. Our first break. Oh. 160 damage, man. Hey. What is this? Theory or something? Yeah, this one's pretty good. Oh, and now we got another code. Okay. This one is not that bad. It's pretty good though. We got this one, whatever this is. This is pretty good. I don't know what this is or something weird. Ooh, this one too. Seeking. Oh, what is this? Energy. We got energy. And this one. Where's the scissors? In my next pack.
I got the Spartan.
What's a Spartan? Imagine I get a big Venus one here.
Hey, I got this one.
Oh, here's a code for you guys.
And I got a water cannon.
Okay, here's a what is it called again? Here's a Lion Energy or something. Okay. Caterpie, whatever, Gasling or something. Diglett, I already have some. Diglett, Rattata, and oh god, I got the reverse hollow of him. Yeah, baby. Reverse hollow. Oh, whatever he is. Okay, got a Farfetch D.
Pretty good.
A Metapod. I already have him, just to let you know. This trainer. And, ooh, what is this? No card is stuff.
I got Litten.
Yes! I always wanted Litten. And I got a little code for you guys.
Pistok.
The code?
I got Zubat.
Let me see Zubat. Oh man, wait, what is that? Oh my god, he got me another GX. He got me another GX.
GX. Oh my god. Oh my god.
I'm keeping that.
He's 180. Oh my god.
Give me this. Let me see this.
Nope.
You're not keeping that one.
Yes.
You're not keeping that one. We have 3 GXs.
Energy.
Energy?
Yeah.
Fairy energy.
I got the Blondor.
Switch.
I got the Switch. Oh, I got the person again.
And you got a code. So that I see another one in here. And that's it for the thing. And here, let me show you something else. Look at this. Dragonite EX, Snorlax GX. And a little black choice. Blastoise.
It's pretty good.
Yeah, he's kind of good. He's only like 120 damage. So that is the end of the video. It's a pretty short video, just because we had a
Make sure to subscribe. Thumbs up.
thumbs up. And Dragonite, Snorlax, GX, one of the best cards. Give me the GX right now. See this one. And we got, these are one of the best cards. And we got 2 GXs. And we got these 2. This is the one you see in the front. This is the one that we got later. I can't believe we got 3 GXs now.
Make sure we get at least 5,000 likes.
So this is